Your form is now connected to MailerLite. Whenever someone submits the form, now their details will be automatically added to your specified MailerLite group. Alright, let's get this show on the road. First things first, we need to install the Next.Blocks plugin, and for that, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins, then add new, and here in the search bar, type in Next.Blocks. Once you spot it, click on install now, and then hit activate. Set, the free version is now up and running. Now, here's the scoop. The form block is a freemium widget. That means while you get a taste of its capabilities in the free version, to unlock its full potential, you'll need to upgrade to Nexter Pro. And before you doubt a little, trust me, it will all be worth it. At the moment, I'm on Nexter's pricing page. And here you can see that there are different plans available for Nexter Pro. Each plan is designed to cater to various needs. So take a moment to review all the features and determine which one aligns best with your requirements. Now on to the checkout page. Here Nexter offers a variety of payment options. Whether you prefer using a credit card, PayPal or other available methods, choose the one that suits you best, and once you have completed the purchase, you will receive the license key and the plugin zip file right here on the checkout page. Download them and we will proceed to install and activate Nexter Pro onto your WordPress site. Here, simply we'll need to navigate to plugins, then add new and click on upload plugin. Select the zip file and click on install now, and after installation, activate the plugin. Further, to finalize the setup, go to Next.Blocks, dashboard, click on Activate Pro and paste your license key into the activation field and click on Activate. Set. And just like that, we've unlocked the full suite and of course the Next.Blocks Pro features. Now, let's activate the form block itself. In your dashboard, head over to Next.Blocks, then Blocks, and here you can see a list of all the available blocks. Find the form block, toggle it on, and don't forget to hit on Save Settings. That's it. You're now all set to integrate this powerful tool into your pages and elevate your site's interactivity. Now, sliding over to MailerLite, it is known for its clean interface, generous free tier, and surprisingly powerful automations. So, if you want a budget-friendly email tool that still lets you build slick workflows, this is the one for you. Okay, selecting MailerLite from the Action After Submit dropdown, in your form settings, a couple of new fields will appear. As usual, we need the API key and group ID, as you can see, so let's get them by going to MailerLite's official site. Then click on Integrations from the left sidebar. Then under MailerLite API, click on Use. Moving ahead to the next page, it's time to click Generate New Token, and then in the pop-up, enter a name for your API key. Next, we'll ensure all APIs allowed is selected, and then tick on Terms of Use checkbox. Then click Create Token, and once it's also generated, copy the API key. Okay, now it's time to get back to your form settings. Here we'll paste this API key into the API key field. That's it. Next, it's time to get the group ID for the specific group where you'd like to add your subscribers. Coming back to the MailerLite official site, here navigate to Subscribers, then click on Groups. And now, if you haven't already created one, just hit on this Create Group button, give it a name, and click on Create. Simple. A group is created. Now, all you have to do is head back to the integration section, and here click on this Use next to API. Then scroll down a bit, and here it is, your group ID. Quickly copy it, come back to your Gutenberg editor, and paste it into the group ID field in your form settings. That's it. After entering both the API key and group ID, you have to go ahead and click on this Save button. Done! Your form is now connected to MailerLite. Whenever someone submits the form, now their details will be automatically added to your specified MailerLite group.